Namaskar and welcome to BSG News. This is Shubham Singh and let's have a look at the headlines for today. To develop the decision-making ability, Eastern Regional Headquarters has organized first virtual regional youth colloquium successfully. State associations of Eastern Region, Northeastern Region and Southern Region successfully organized State Youth Colloquium for the preparation at regional and national level. Great loss to the scouting movement. Former State Secretary of Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides, Sri Ramamurthy Dora breathed his last on 27th July 2021. Mask distribution program was organized by East Central Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Shramdan program was organized by East Central Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides. First virtual state-level specialized course on first aid was organized by Eastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides. Cleanliness drive program was organized by Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guides. World Nature Conservation Day was observed by Jharkhand State Bharat Scouts and Guides. BSG Meghalaya State has conducted the district level executive cum project coordinators workshop. Headquarters district of BSG NF Railway celebrated Kargil Vijay Divas on 26 July 2021. COVID vaccination and awareness program was conducted by Tinsukia district and Katihar district of BSG NF Railway, West Bengal and Haryana State Bharat Scouts and Guides. The members of BSG Andhra Pradesh State honored the Honorable Education Minister during Guram Jaswal. News in brief. National news. The Bharat Scouts and Guides Eastern Region successfully organized its regional level virtual youth colloquium for the members of the State Youth Committee and for active youth leaders from 26 to 28 July 2021. The program was inaugurated by Mr. Amar Bahadur Chetri, Joint Director of Scouts Program and Training, Mr. Rajkumar Kaushik, Director of the Bharat Scouts and Guides, Srimati Darshana Pavaskar, Joint Director of Guides Program and Training, Srimati Surekha Srivastava, Deputy Director Guide, Mr. Ritesh Agarwal, Chairman National Youth Committee, also joined the event on different days and blessed the virtual gathering. Mr. Arup Sarkar, Deputy Director Boy Program, closed the program and motivated the youth for community development. Mr. Syed Jahangir Habib, State Organizing Commissioner Scout of Eastern Railway, encouraged the colloquium participants. Sessions and discussions on national education policy, Earth Tribe, changes in uniform, leadership mindset, etc. were held during the program. The program was successfully conducted under the leadership of Mr. Bablu Goswami, Assistant Director of Eastern Region.
Good morning to all the youths who have joined with us to discuss, prioritize, and celebrate the most important phase of human life, that is youth. It is my honor to welcome you all on this day one of regional level youth colloquium of Eastern Region.
यूथ कमेटी स्ट्रांग होना है, यूथ कमेटी इनोवेटिव होना है, यूथ कमेटी इंस्पायरेशनल होना है, यूथ कमेटी कम्युनिटी में स्काउटिंग को इम्पैक्ट क्रिएट करना है. ईस्टर्न रीजन इज द बेस्ट. जैसे बोलते ना सबसे बढ़िया छत्तीसगढ़िया, मैं तो बोलूँ सबसे बढ़िया ईस्टर्न रीजन.
व्हाट इज रियल हैप्पीनेस, यानी वास्तविक खुशहाली क्या है? वास्तविक खुशहाली है दूसरों की मदद कर, काम करो जो कि अलाउ नहीं है, वो भी काम नहीं करना है. मतलब मदद किसकी की जाती है? जिसको वास्तव में मदद की जरूरत हो. जिसको मदद की जरूरत नहीं है उसको आप मदद करेंगे तो वो सर्विस है, कम्युनिटी डेवलपमेंट नहीं है. कम्युनिटी डेवलपमेंट क्या है? जब आप कम्युनिटी को साथ में लेके उस काम को करें कि वो काम के लिए आपको दोबारा वहां पर कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़े.
How you can become a young warrior, how you can onboard other young people from your network as young warriors to combat COVID-19, and how you can make use of all the tools and resources which are available to each of you to in your actions against COVID-19.
Colloquium is a gathering where you come together and decide about how you want your future to be.
Regional Youth Colloquium has been organized by the Northern Regional Headquarters from 28 to 30th July 2021. 75 participants and 11 staff members participated in the colloquium. Regional level Youth Colloquium of BSG Southern Region started on 28th of July 2021. Dr. R. Ilangovan, National Advisor Growth BSG India and State Chief Commissioner of Tamil Nadu State BSG inaugurated the program. It is an honor for the members of the State Youth Committee of Eastern Regional States to participate in the discussions on very important topics in the state level Youth Colloquium. Shri Kali Prasad Mishra, Honorable Vice President, Bharat Scouts and Guides and State Chief Commissioner, Orissa State Bharat Scouts and Guides inaugurated the colloquium in the presence of Honorable Director Shri Rajkumar Kaushik on 24th of July 2021. Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized State Youth Colloquium on 25th July 2021. The colloquium was inaugurated by Shri Srinivas Kumar, State Secretary, and was blessed by Srimati Darshana Pavaskar, Joint Director of Guides Program and Training. International Youth Day is commemorated every year on 12th August to bring attention to youth issues and celebrating the potential of youth as partners in today's global society. BSG is all set to celebrate the day and give wide opportunity to the members of the organization to express their views, actions and initiatives. As preparation of the Youth Day, state level youth colloquium has been conducted by different states of the regions. BSG Meghalaya State has organized state level youth colloquium on 27th of July 2021. A total of 30 participants including state officials participated in the program. BSG Assam State has organized state level youth colloquium on 27th of July 2021. A total of 70 participants including the state officials participated in the program. The BSG Kerala State has conducted the state level youth colloquium on 25th of July 2021. The BSG Karnataka State has conducted the state level youth colloquium on 23rd of July 2021. Shramdan program was conducted by the members of East Central Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides on 25th July 2021, where they cleaned the state training center by rendering their services. On 22nd July 2021, Scouts and Guides of Jahanabad district of Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized cleanliness drive under the leadership of Mr. Harishankar Kumar, District Organizing Commissioner Scout of Jahanabad. First virtual state level specialized course on first aid was successfully organized by Eastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides from 21st to 25th July 2021 under the leadership of Mr. Shubhabroto Das, ALTS. Sessions on first aid, fractures, wounds, CPR, etc. were demonstrated by trained professionals. 60 warranted unit leaders participated in this specialized course with full enthusiasm and devotion. World Nature Conservation Day was observed by the members of Jharkhand State Bharat Scouts and Guides on 28th of July 2021 by tree plantation and awareness drive. Kargil Vijay Divas was organized by Jharkhand State Bharat Scouts and Guides on 26th of July 2021. The BSG Meghalaya State has successfully conducted the district level executive meet cum project coordinators workshop from 26th to 28 July 2021 to make the state members aware, which include Mr. D.P. Wahlang, IAS and State Chief Commissioner of Meghalaya State Bharat Scouts and Guides, who were present at the closing ceremony. The Headquarters District Association of NF Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized a fancy dress competition on the occasion of Kargil Vijay Divas on 26th of July 2021 at 4 p.m. at a virtual platform Zoom to honor the glorious day of the country. The Rangers of Amrit Prabha Ranger Team JN College Boko Assam is working for goal number 2 Zero Hunger and Sustainable Development Goals. Haryana State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized a tree plantation program at Yamunanagar district on 28th of July 2021 under the guidance of District Education Officer Shri Ravinder Rana, Block Education Officer, was the chief guest of the program. Shri Sandeep Gupta, District Organizing Commissioner Scouts, welcomed the chief guest. On the occasion of Kargil Vijay Divas, Haryana State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized a blood donation camp at Powell district on 25th of July 2021, where 124 unit blood was donated in the camp. Shri Guram Jaswa Jayanti was celebrated at Guntur, Andhra Pradesh on 27th of July 2021. On the occasion, the members of the Bharat Scouts and Guides honored Shri Adimolapu Suresh, Honorable Education Minister, and garlanded the statue of Shri Guram Jaswa. On 25th of July 2021, Warangal Rural District of BSD Telangana State distributed textbooks and other utensils among the cubs and bulbuls. The cubs and bulbuls were also taught how to plant and take care of the saplings. We are deeply disheartened to inform you that Shri Ramamurthy Dora, former State Secretary of Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides, passed away on 27th of July 2021. He was a very dynamic, dedicated personality of the Bharat Scouts and Guides, and we deeply mourn on this great loss. COVID news. Free marks distribution program was organized by East Central Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides on 21st of July 2021 by Danapur Division at Danapur Railway Station. COVID vaccination camp was organized by Pearls of God High School and Scouts Group by West Bengal State Bharat Scouts and Guides came in collaboration with Woodlands Municipality Hospital Limited on 27th of July 2021. A COVID vaccination camp was organized jointly by Tinsukia District Association of Northeast Frontier Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides and Tinsukia District Administration in collaboration with National Health Mission on 26th of July 2021 at Dr. Bhupen Hazarika Community Hall, Hijuburi, Tinsukia, Assam, where 200 people were vaccinated with Covaxin. Katihar District of BSG NF Railway organized COVID-19 awareness program on 23rd of July 2021. Rovers, Scouters and Guiders of Haryana State Bharat Scouts and Guides rendered their services in the COVID vaccination camp at Matlada District, Panipat, Haryana on 22nd of July 2021. Forthcoming events: 27th Asia Pacific Regional Scout Conference at Taiwan. For details refer to NHQ Circular number 67 dated 29th May 2021. The timeline of reporting for Project Sankalp 2.0 is extended up to 31st of August 2021. For more details, you can refer to NHQ Circular number 75 dated 15th of June 2021. Virtual National Youth Colloquium 2021 Think Globally, Act Locally for Rovers and Rangers will be held from 11th to 13th August 2021. For details, refer to NHQ Circular number 79 dated 30th of June 2021. That's all for today. We will again meet on next Sunday sharp at 8 p.m. Till then, take care, goodbye, namaste and Jai Hind.